Hi guys, TB here. So in this video I want to show you how to use the poster for the model. So this poster will appear while the model is loading. So let me show you here. See, in this example, of course it takes a... Actually, let me show you online. Because... okay, now this one... HTML and in the demo folder. So if you look here, right now there is only the preloader and it's showing the progress. My server it's really slow today, I don't know why. And once it's done, the model will appear. See, let me refresh this. It should be faster now. So it's the preloader appears and then the model appears. In this case, in this model, the same thing happens. So there is the preloader, and when it's done, the model appears. It is possible while this loading screen it's visible to show an image. In this case I called it a poster because it's kind of a poster, and it can be anything you want. So let's go here. So see here the model is loading and it's not empty. If you look closely, it's showing an image and then it's showing the model. So the image it's a copy of the first frame of the model, something like this. So I want to show you how to use this feature. So let's go back to our example in the start folder, which is this one. Right now I don't have any poster, so the camera will load and it will show just the camera without any posters. And let me show you how to add a poster. So in the model there is this option poster source, and I'll just copy this and paste it here. So right now the path of the poster it's relative from the media folder and all these images here. So let's choose another poster to show you. Actually it's okay because I've changed the camera position and the poster will work. So right now, so I added the poster here. This can also be an absolute path. It doesn't have to be relative, so you can just add an absolute path here from anywhere. As long as the image is allowed to be loaded on your server, it will be okay. So let's refresh this. Again, I already explained this in the documentation, but make sure that you are testing this on a server. In my case, I'm using a virtual server. You can use either a virtual or directly on your server. So if I refresh, you see the poster and then the model. So right now the poster doesn't look right. I mean, you can use the poster in any way you like. You can leave it like this, you can add anything you can think of. It doesn't have to be exactly this part, but if you want to have exactly this part as it is here, we'll have to use I will show you how I do it. There are other ways. So first of all, look into these two parameters. So we need the start resizing width and max resizing width. We'll need to use these two values to actually save this. There will be some trial and error if you want to make it perfect, but this is what it is. So this is how it's done. So I will use Photoshop. You can use anything you want. And so let's close this and let's start with the blank page with these values: 1750 pixels. These are pixels. So file new. Oops, sorry, the microphone is in the way. So right now we have a blank page like this, and let's go here, and when you have this selected, just click the print screen on your keyboard. Okay, and now let's go to this one and paste, and you will have to drag this into, actually let me get the, I want to get the controls, this as well. So let's print screen and go here. I will delete this one because I don't want it here, and paste. And now I still don't have that. What is happening? Okay, so now I have the controls. I'll just have to position this visually. Let's make this a bit smaller. So I want to position this visually kind of like this one. So right now I have this. After this is done, just save it and give it the name that you want, and you can use it as a source in here. So let me try to fix this correctly. So I will open this on my server here in build, and we have this in the media, I think, yes, and images, and I will add the saved image. So I will save it like I don't know. And also let's remove these controls here. I will save it as C, it's enough. So I will just grab this here and I will add it. What? I already have it. Where is it? Huh, weird. Let's try now. So I have this here, it's C. So remember, this is in the build folder, media, images, and I will just add this here, C. Okay, and now when I refresh this, you will see that the poster will look almost like this one. See, there is a small it seems like the poster, it's down. Yeah, so the poster is down. Like I said, there is a bit of trial and error. This is the best solution that I found. Let's move it a bit up. 1, 2, 3, and a bit to the left. And I will do the same thing here. Grab this and paste it. And don't forget to clear the cache when you try this. So I have this, if you check the network tab, I have the disable cache, see? And let's try now. So if you see, it's perfect. It's perfect right now. So this is how it's done. There is a bit of trial and error. Sometimes it takes 2 times to, sometimes it takes 2 times. Sometimes you'll have to do it once, 2, 3 times until you get this right. But this is also responsive. So this is not just it doesn't matter how it's used, so it's fully responsive. See? Okay guys, so this is how the poster works. You can use it with or without the poster, it's your choice. And again, you can add anything you want as an image. It doesn't have to be exactly like the camera, it can be anything. Since this is an image, it will be okay. Okay, thank you for watching.